The Progressive Era lasted from 1890 to 1920. The Progressive Movement covered social reform issues relating to female suffrage, education, working conditions, unionization, the problems of urbanization, industrialization, and child labor. Additionally, it called for political reforms attacking bribery and corruption, the political machines and the regulation of big business and corporations, and reducing the power of unfair business practices.
Many of the reforms during progressivism were thanks to journalists known as muckrakers, who exposed social, political, and corporate corruptions.
Factories were one of the main places these corruptions were found. During this time period, working conditions in the factories were bloody awful. The Triangle Shirtwaist Factory fire was a reflection of these poor conditions.
Failure to meet fire hazard codes resulted in a fire that burned down the factory and left many laborers helpless inside the building. The progressive movement was successful in the fact that it improved factories and working conditions.
The Pure Food and Drug Act started in 1906. The act's main purpose was to ban foreign and interstate trade with mislabeled food and drug products. The formation of this act was driven by the writing of The Jungle by Upton Sinclair, which brought to the public's attention the issues of unsanitary meat products.
During the progressive movement, the push for female suffrage greatly increased. Organizations such as the National American Women's Suffrage Association and the National Woman's Party grew to have members numbered in the millions, with countless meetings, campaigns, lobbies with the president, and other radical actions. The 19th Amendment was finally ratified in 1920, granting females the right to vote.
In the 19th century, workdays were shortened to 8-hour workdays as a result of the brutal work environment's impact on the workers. Before these enactments, laborers could work up to 16 hours a day and workplace injuries were common. Additionally, child labor was common and children were forced to do the most dangerous and deadly jobs.
Due to long work hours and lack of child labor laws, children were unable to receive proper education. Few children made it through elementary school and only attended 3 to 4 months each year. During the Progressive Era, attendance laws were placed on the schools requiring children 8 to 14 to go to school for at least 4 consecutive months a year. Additionally, one-room schools were placed with consolidated school, more teachers were hired, and more grade levels were added.
The Progressive Era was a successful reform movement as it improved factories, sanitary conditions, women's rights, labor laws, and education.